view. Somebody said confirmation.
No.
Confirmation is not with eyes. In a
sorry.
Confirmation is when you get it. They say she want a little tease.
The comment I go on bad for me down there.
Yo, look. Just understand, say, so we're going right now. It's not necessarily a race that anybody want to be in, but yo, if somebody see something, if somebody see quality, yeah, and them go feet, you can't wrong them. So you see, if anybody see you up here and feel like say you do too much, just understand, say maybe them not have the courage to do the same way you do. So don't feel shame. No shame, not supposed to in your game.
No, this is our place in a STARDOM place, you know.
All right, cool. Cool.
So we talk anything over here, so with STARDOM.
All right. Well, may I tell you from now, still.
Remember, you're not married.
I'm not married. I'm free, single, and
that's why
disengaged. Yeah.
You never can tell who can win something.
Right. So I'm
yeah,
dip my hand in the bag and
them shots.
Well, and so all right. Me I go right.
They are Enfield, men are the same country.
Well, and me I do you a favor. May I do you a favor, yeah? I know nobody help her. You see if you get that number, yeah? You see if you get more you get that number, write it in my book. You see if you get this number between 1. I'm at about between 0 and 10. May I make sure to write the number down? I may write your name. What your name? Right over it. So Chulup. So you have to say it authentic, yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
You see if you guess the number, yeah? I'm gonna fuck out your wall. Write it down.
And me for guess the number. Everybody
you forget the number. You just guess the number.
8.
I don't know, so I forgot fuck Chulups.
Lie. Show it. Oh my God.
I don't know, so I forgot fuck Chulups now. Chulups, I gotta get my number tonight.
No, this is a sign. This is a code.
Chulups, I gotta go for my phone. Chulups, I've gotta get my number tonight.
That me know. I work to live in the same country. We may be in the same town.
Chulups, I've gotta get the number tonight.
That me know.
This a series.
Everybody gone left me.
This a series. This you call series, not joke thing. No joke thing, but nah, gonna lie, still. There's still a requirement from me, though. There's still a requirement from me. So Chulups, what I want to know is there's a thing in life where people need to be real, right? And you see,
turn on camera.
Not all of that could have worked. I mean, I think you can turn on the camera, but all of that could have worked. But me still have a certain requirement. Me have to see and like what me say too. So how much picture you have on your profile? Come on, I want to see at least 3 pictures.
I mean, I have the.
You have to go.
Come off on my right page. You just call my right page. No, mama. Jump off it because I know me go on with myself.
Me say you have to go
come on the page here. I was on my right page, but I know I was going to be messy.
Chulups, I owe this. I owe this, me look at. Me I see one picture over here on your page. I owe this.
No. Because I know I'm going to be messy.
I owe this, me see on the page.
We just put up picture. This is the page when I'm going to be messy. Because you know, say I'm going to talk to you dirty, so people are going to run into my picture.
Well, no, man. Right, may I look on a picture on this now? I hear a picture of this?
No.
I over picture that.
I don't even know.
Chulups.
Yeah?
I have to see what I go on. My eyes have to see what I go on and like too, you know.
Somebody say, Lord have mercy.
I have to see what I go on. Chulups, I have to see and like you too.
All of that. I remember come up on the other page. I have a picture there.
You have to go up on the other page.
Well, you just called my name, you know, but you just the on it and you called my name a while ago when we come up. You did call my name.
I can't enough people name. Hold on.
But you called my name.
Hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Hold on. Wait, me have got watch back the live and then listen to Ray. Yeah,
I'm going to jump off and come on the page here. I'm going to come back on the page, but me I go and stay on this.
Where your star sign?
Virgo.
Okay. Not too bad. Them say the Gemini, them switch up easy, you know. Maybe the Virgo, them a little bit different. I don't know. They tell me about the star sign. Somebody tell me about the Virgo.
It's because I know you're always going for a picture and go up on the screen and bring up a picture. That's why I switch over.
But you can't escape because I still need to see you.
See them just accept. See, you send me all the requests.
Me not sending the request. Me never sending the request.
No, you accept my request.
A moderator, them a accept. Me never said nothing.
Alright, I'm gonna go find it. Where, man?
What's the star sign, sir? Me a Scorpio. Stacey, I know I'm going baby girl. Virgo and Scorpio is a match.
You haven't found another page?
Where the other page there?
You just joined.
In the seat. Alright, here we go. DM me. DM my backup page. Scorcher, Scorcher, I need a lineup, dog. Tell you, say I'm a barber, I need at least. Hold on, Arthur. Scorcher, I need my face sort out, yeah? Yeah. I need my face sort out. Alright, hold on the tulips. Let me hear my general. I say, what going, brother?
Me I say, do you that eat the conic? Come like say this have to do in a real life, brother. Not even magician could have pulled that one the faster than
bro. But I don't know. Tulip, say that, eh? Tulip, say that.
I'm here, yeah.
Right, when am my birthday?
Oh, come on, no.
Right, when am my birthday?
Oh, come on, no.
What? Echo girl. Pull on your screen and swipe it back up.
Now come off a minute that page then.
Yes, no, turn on your other phone then. That's what you need for them.
You come on fight from my other page.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, November.
Right. So then put it in there. So you never remember my birth date then.
We chat so much thing over here.
Well, Tulips, me can promise if the eye see and the heart leap, yeah, me go fuck out your wall, me not care. Free and single. Just make sure, cause one thing more people know, you know. You have a bag of man out there so we want woman. Yeah? Of course, me say my promise.
All the ladies now come up, they make me one up here and get touched.
So you want to share it? Yeah, or you want it for yourself?
You know, say you like it in a twos.
Well, but me just say, you want to share it?
We don't have a problem.
Well, Tulips, come here. Come here, Tulips.
Yeah?
You like girl too? Just answer me now.
Listen to me, man.
Just answer me now, man.
Bring up another girl.
So that means me have to go fuck you and find a next girl for fuck. Hey, I want a next girl come up here where me can fuck the town.
They were for their England.
Of course, I'm for their England. So me, Tulips, and the next girl at England. But me have to, everybody, the girl have to like the girl, and me have to like the town when I'm sooner. So,